Welcome children. Today I am dealing with some numericals based on spherical lens. So first one, a concave lens has a focal length of 15 centimeters. This concave lens is having a focal length of how much? 15 centimeter. So I am drawing a concave lens here. So in the case of concave lens, the first principal focus is given will be on left hand side. So here only the focus. Okay. This focal length is given as how much here? 15 centimeter. So this is the optic center. Okay. This focal length is given as 15 centimeter. And this focal length we are measuring from where? From the optic center towards left direction. So whenever we are measuring distance towards the left, it is taken as which one? Negative. So this focal length of concave lens is always which one? Negative. Then, at what distance should the object from the lens should be placed? That means we have to find the object distance u. So, we have to find where this object is placed. Okay. So that it forms an image at 10 cm from the lens. That means image distance is given. So, V equals, the image is formed at 10 cm from the lens. That means 10 cm. So, we know that in the case of concave lens, so we are always getting image only on which side? On the left side only we will be getting the image. That means this V must be always, which one? Positive or negative? Negative. So, this can be taken as minus 10. So, V equals minus 10 centimeter. So, in the case of concave lens, focal length is always negative because we have focus only on the left hand side. Okay. The first focus is on the left hand side. Then image also we are getting only on the left hand side. So V is also taken as minus. And what we have to find out? We have to find out U. Okay. So once again, the concave lens has a focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object be placed? That means U we have to find out. This U is the object distance. Okay. So that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens. So the image distance is how much here? 10 centimeter. So in the case of concave lens, always image is formed only on which side? On the left hand side. So it is also negative. So V equals minus 10 centimeter. And also we have to find magnification produced by the lens. That means M also we have to find it. Okay. So this is the problem. Okay. So we have focal length here and V is also here. And we have to find which one? U. So first of all we have to write which one? Lens formula. So we have the lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U equals 1 by F. And here what we have to find out? U. That means this 1 by U we have to keep in one side. So here it is minus 1 by U means I am taking this to the right hand side. This one I am taking on the left hand side. That means 1 by V minus 1 by F equals 1 by U. And here itself I am taking LCM. So this one I am writing here. So 1 by U equals, so here what is the LCM? VF. V into F is the LCM. Okay. So here VF divided by V is how much? F. F into 1 is F. Simply taking LCM. Minus VF divided by F is V. That means V into 1 is V. Okay. So VF is the LCM. So here F minus V. Now what we have to find out? U. So take the reciprocal of this equation. So we can write as U equals, take the reciprocal, VF divided by F minus V. Now we can directly substitute the values. So U equals, what is V here? Minus 10 into, what is F? Minus 15 divided by, what is F? Minus 15 minus V. Minus into minus become plus. So plus 10. Okay. That is equivalent to this minus into minus become plus. 10 into 15 is 150 divided by minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5. So we will be getting minus 30 centimeter. So we can say that this object is placed at how much distance? The object is placed at how much centimeter? 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter in front or back side? In front only. So object we are always placing on the front side. Because here we are getting minus. This minus indicates distance must be on the left hand side. So this 30 centimeter in front of the lens. To front of the lens. Front of the lens. Okay. Now again what we have to find out? So we have to find the magnification. So magnification, what is the formula? M equals V by U. Okay, that is, what is V? V is how much? Minus 10. So we can write as minus 10 divided by, what is U? Minus 30. Minus minus become plus, 0 0 cancel, remaining we have 1 by 3. So we can write as 1 by 3, or we can divide and find how much is 1 by 3. So dot. So 0.33. So we will be getting a 0.33. So this is the magnification of which one? This image. So 0.33 means we know less than 1 indicates it may be a diminished image. So this image is, the image is diminished. Diminished, as well as what is the nature of the image? This is a concave lens only. This concave lens always form which image only? Virtual and direct. Virtual and direct. Virtual and direct. Second question. A 2 centimeter tall object. That means height of the object is given as 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. A 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. So F equals 10 centimeter. And here we have taken a convex lens. So we know the shape of a convex lens. This is optic center. And in the case of convex lens, the first principal focus is on the right hand side. So this must be the focal length. So this focal length we are measuring towards right side. So it is taken as positive only. So F is taken as plus 10 centimeter. Then the distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Suppose we are keeping the object somewhere here. The object we are always keeping on which side only? Left hand side only. And this object distance is given as how much here? 15 centimeter. This much is 15 centimeter. That means this distance we are measuring towards the left side. That means U can be written as how much? Minus 15 centimeter. And this height of object, this is the object, no? This height is measured above the principal axis. That means it is always positive only. This height of object is always positive because it is measured above the principal axis. Okay. Then we have to find the position. That means V. Position, nature and size of the image. And also we have to find its magnification. This V we have to find out, as well as magnification we have to find. Okay. And here also we can use which formula? Lens formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U equals 1 by F. So from this what we have to find out? V. That means this term alone I am keeping on the left hand side. And here we have 1 by F. And this one I am taking it to the right hand side. So plus 1 by U. Again 1 by V equals, I am taking LCM here, F into U. Okay. And here F is there. That means the other term we can multiply here. So U plus, so here U is there. This other term will be multiplied here. Okay. U plus F. And what we need is V. Take the reciprocal. So what you will get now? Reciprocal 1 by V is V. Here also we are taking reciprocal FU divided by U plus F. Now we can substitute the values. V equals, what is F here? 10 into, what is U? Minus 15 divided by, what is U here? U is again how much? Minus 15 plus F plus 10. That means 10 into minus 15 is minus 150 divided by minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5. This minus minus become plus. Cancelling will be getting 30. So we will be getting answer as how much here? 30 centimeter. So we are getting the answer as plus 30 centimeter. That means we are getting the image on left or right hand side. We are getting the image on the right hand side. Okay, because we are getting plus. Plus means we will be getting image on which side only? Right hand side. So this image is formed. Image is formed 30 centimeter to the right of the lens. To the right of the lens. Or we can say behind the lens. So we are getting the image behind the lens. Okay. Now what we have to find out again? You have to find the nature, size as well as magnification. So first of all we can find magnification. So we have the formula for magnification. M equals H dash by h. Similarly, we have another formula for magnification, m equals v by u. So two formulas are there. And in this question, they are actually giving the value for h itself. H is how much they have given? 2 centimeter. The h is already given. So whenever they are giving h and they are asking you to find size of the image, means you have to find which one h dash. Otherwise, simply we can find magnification and write which one it may be diminished or maybe enlarged, like that we can write. But suppose if they are giving h value in the question, so at that time again they are asking to find size of image, means you have to find which one? H dash. Okay. So how will you find h dash? So we have two formulas for magnification. H dash by h is there. Okay, this is one formula that can be equated to which one? Another one formula, v by u, because both are same only. Okay, so from this I am cross multiplying. So what you will get now? H dash into, I am cross multiplying, h dash into u equals h into v. H into v. So from this what we have to find out the h dash. So h dash equals how much? How will be writing? H v divided by u. Okay, that is equivalent to what is h? H is 2. 2 into what is v value? You got as 30. 30 divided by what is u value? U is minus 15. U is minus 15. So when we are cancelling, what you will get now? This 15 and 30 will cancel. Yes, you will be getting us 2 here. Minus is here. That means minus 4. 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2 divided by here minus 1 only. That means answer is how much here? Minus 4 centimeter. That means the size of the image is how much? 4 centimeter. And why we are getting minus here? Because it is an inverted image. It is not showing less than one value. It shows, this minus shows only the image is which one? Inverted. So whenever we are getting an inverted image, h dash is always minus. But what we can say about the size of the image? Because height of object is 2 only, height of image is 4. That means the image is magnified. The image is magnified. The image is magnified. This is h dash. Image is magnified. As well as we know that it is real. And all the real images are inverted also. Real and inverted. So whenever in the problems, if they are giving the value for h, means you can directly find which one? H dash by using this formula. H dash equals v by u into h. Substituting and we will be getting the value. And whenever we are getting minus, that indicates that it is an inverted image. Okay. And if this value is greater than 1, means what we can say, h height of object is given as 2 and height of image is more than height of object. That means it may be a magnified image. Okay. Third problem. A convex lens forms a real and inverted image. This convex lens is forming a real inverted image of a needle. So needle is the object here of a needle at a distance of 50 cm from it. So this convex lens is forming a real inverted image at a distance of 50 cm from it. So I am drawing a convex lens here. And this convex lens is forming a real inverted image at a distance of 50 centimeter. So we know that this convex lens will form real inverted image only on the right hand side. Okay. So we are getting the image here, somewhere here. Okay. And this much distance is given as how much here? 50 centimeter. So this image is formed at a distance of 50 centimeter from the convex lens. So inverted image, that is why we have taken the image on the right hand side. This inverted image is formed only on the right hand side. Now, where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens? That means needle is the object. That means object distance we have to find. So we are placing the needle somewhere here. So needle is the object. Somewhere here we are keeping the needle and we have to find this distance. That means u we have to find. Okay, this is v. So this is image distance v and we have to find which one? U. Okay. So where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens? If the image size is equal to object size. So one more thing is given. So this is the height of the object and this is the height of the image. And given that h is equal to which one? H dash. Height of object is same as which one? Height of image. Both are same. And also given v equals how much? V equals 50 centimeter. So this is on the right hand side of the optic center. That means this is taken as positive only. So V equals 50 centimeter. And we have to find which one? U. Okay. Then also find the power of the lens. So P also we have to find it. Power of the lens also we have to find it. So this convex lens is forming a real inverted image at a distance of how much? 50 centimeter. So this convex lens always form real inverted image only on which side? Right hand side. That is taken as plus. So B is taken as plus here. And we have to find the object distance. So where we are placing the needle in front of the lens. That means U we have to find out. And given that size of object is same as which one? Size of image. This H is equal to which one? H dash. Okay. So we have the formula for magnification. M equals H dash divided by H. Okay. Or we have M equals. So here H dash is taken as plus or minus because it is inverted image only. That means minus. So you can take it here as minus because it is inverted image. So minus H dash. Minus H dash divided by H. I told you H and H dash both are same only. So instead of H I am putting a switch on itself H dash. So both will cancel and we will be getting the values how much here? Minus 1. So magnification we got as minus 1. Okay. And we have another one formula for magnification. M equals, what is the formula? V by U. Okay. Or we can write, what is M magnification? So instead of M, I can write here as minus 1 because minus 1 is the magnification. Equals, what is V here? 50. Divided by U, we don't know. So from this cross multiplying, what you will get now? Minus U equals 50 or U equals minus 50 centimeter. Okay, so object distance we got as how much here? Minus 50 centimeter. That means here object distance and image distance both are same. What is V here? V is also 50 and U is also 50. So we know the condition. Whenever the object is at 2F, image also at 2F only. When we are placing object at 2F1, we are getting image at 2F2. And at that time, the magnification is same only. The size of object is same as which one? Size of image. That is why we are getting U also so much here? Minus 50 centimeter. Okay. Now, one more thing they are asking, we have to find which one? Power. So, power, what is the formula? Power equals 1 by focal length, 1 by F. But we don't know F here. Okay, so we have to find F because we know what are the values. B we know as well as U also we know. Okay. So, here U is how much? Minus 50 and V is plus 50. So, the object we are placing 50 centimeter in front of the lens. Okay. That means at 2F1. So, image at 2F2. So, both the size of image as well as object both are same. So, what is magnification here? Minus 1. Okay. So, we have to find which one now? Focal length. So, what is the formula? We have to use lens formula itself. 1 by V minus 1 by U equals 1 by F. So, taking LCM here itself VU and which one is not here? We can multiply. That is U minus V equals 1 by F. I am taking reciprocal. What you will get now? VU by U minus V equals F. Okay. That means F equals what is V value? 50 into U is minus 50 divided by again U is minus 50 minus V is 50. That is equivalent to minus 2500 divided by minus 100. So 0, 0 cancel. Remaining we got how much here? 25 centimeter. So this is the focal length. Okay. Now what we have to find out? Power. So power, what is the formula? 1 by F. So power P equals 1 by focal length. But whenever we are finding power in diopter, focal length should be in which one? Meter. So we have to convert this centimeter into which one? Meter. That means 25 divided by 100. That is 0.25. 0.25 meter. That is a focal length. That means 1 divided by, what is focal length? 0.25. Okay. And we can remove the decimal, multiplying by 100 in the numerator. So 100 divided by 25. That is equal to how much? 4 diopter D. So this is the power of the lens. So this power of the lens formula is 1 by focal length. But at that time, what about this focal length? It should be in meter. So whenever we are getting focal length in centimeter, we have to convert into meter. Then only we have to take the reciprocal and find the power. Okay. Now fourth one, A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. So lens is having a power of plus 1.5 diopter. Okay. Find the focal length of the lens. So we have to find the focal length of the lens. And we have to find out whether this lens is diverging or converging. So we have to find whether this lens is diverging or converging. Converging. Okay. So we know the formula connecting power and focal length. What is the formula? P equals power equals 1 by focal length. Or we can write focal length F equals 1 by power. Okay. So here what we have to find out? Focal length we have to find out. That means F equals 1 by P. So we have the values F equals 1 divided by what is P here? 1.5. Okay. So I am removing the decimal. So multiply by 10. So 10 divided by 15. So you will be getting us 2 by 3. 2 by 3. You can write as 2 by 3 or you can divide and find out. 0.66. You will be getting a 0.66. So what is the unit here? So whenever power is in diopter, focal length must be in which one? Meter. Okay, so we will be getting the focal length in meter here. And they are asking whether this lens is diverging or converging. So we can see the sign for this power plus. So power is plus only. Similarly, focal length also plus. This focal length plus comes for which lens? Convex lens. So convex lens means which lens only? Converging. So this answer is which one? It is a converging lens. The lens is converging. So why we are saying it is a converging lens? Because focal length is positive. Power also positive. So whenever power and focal length both are positive, so it may be a converging or convex lens. And whenever power and focal length both are negative, so it may be a diverging or concave lens. Okay. And this converging lens can be used to rectify which disease only? Hypermetropia. Hypermetropia. Hypermetropia or long-sightedness. Long-sightedness. So it can be used to rectify hypermetropia or long-sightedness. Okay. Now, fifth problem. A concave lens of focal length 15 cm forms an image 10 cm from the lens. So a concave lens of focal length 15 cm. So concave lens means focal length is minus 15 cm. We know the shape of a concave lens. So whenever we are getting a problem, first of all draw a rough diagram for that one. So concave lens, and this first focus comes on left hand side only, and this must be the focal length. So it is given us how much here? 15 cm. So why we have taken minus here? Because it is towards the left side of the optic center. So it is taken as minus. And this image is formed at 10 cm from the lens. That means image distance B is given as a 10 cm. Okay. So this concave lens always forms image only on which side? On the left hand side only. Okay. That means image we are getting on left hand side. So it is given as how much distance? 10 cm. So B equals 10 cm. Okay. So that means we can take it as minus. So why we are taking minus here? Because concave lens always form image only on which side? On the left hand side of the lens. It cannot produce image on right hand side. Okay. How far is the object placed from the lens? That means U we have to find out. Object distance means U. Okay, that we have to find out. And also we have to draw the corresponding ray diagram. Okay, this is the question. So first of all, we have drawn a rough diagram here. And we have to find which one? U. That means we can use which formula? Lens formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U equals 1 by F. So from this we need which one? 1 by U only. So 1 by U I am taking on the right hand side. So 1 by V. This one I am taking on left hand side. So minus 1 by F equals 1 by U. So I am taking LCM here. VF. Okay. So here F minus V. LCM only equals how much here? 1 by U. We need which one? U. Take the reciprocal. So we can write as U equals reciprocal of 1 by U is U. Equals here reciprocal is VF divided by F minus V. Now we can substitute the values. U equals what is V here? Minus 10 into what is F? Minus 15 divided by, again what is f, minus 15 minus v, minus minus means plus, so plus 10. That is equivalent to minus 10 into minus 15 is minus minus become plus. So we'll be getting 150 divided by minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5. So when you are cancelling, you will be getting 30. Minus is also there, so minus 30 centimeter. So the image will be formed. Image is formed. Not image, object. So we are finding the object distance only. So this object is placed. Object is placed. How much distance? Placed 30 centimeter in front of the lens. In front of the lens. Object we are always placing in front of the lens only. Okay. Now this much over. Now what we have to do? We have to draw the corresponding ray diagram. So in the case of concave lens, we have only two ray diagrams. One is when the object is at infinity, and second one is object is between optics and random infinity. So we have to draw the second ray diagram here. Okay. But values we know, no need of measuring the focal length and V, and you have to draw the diagram. Just roughly you can draw the diagram. So we know the ray diagram. First draw the concave lens. Draw the concave lens. Optic center. Okay, somewhere here is a focus. This is focus. Here also we have the focus. So this is anyway focus 1. And here object distance we are getting as how much here? Object distance is 30 centimeter. Okay, so somewhere here I am taking the object. Suppose here is the object. This is the object. And this much we are taking as this F1. And this object distance. This much distance I am taking as how much here? U is given as how much? U is minus 30 centimeter. No, yes, U is minus 30 centimeter. Okay. Now we have the ray diagram. First of all, draw a light ray parallel to the principal axis. Okay. So after refraction, what will happen? This light ray will be diverging, but it appears to diverge from where? From the focus. Okay. So it's the first light ray. And second one I am taking a light ray passing through which one? Optic center. Passing through optic center, it will not undergo any deviation. Okay, and both the light rays are meeting at a point here. So here only we are getting the image, and this image distance is given as how much? So V equals 10 centimeter. That means this much distance is how much? 10 centimeter. Okay, no need of measuring and all. Just you draw the ray diagram and simply you can write the values there. So this V distance is how much here? 10 centimeter. And U, object distance is given as how much? 30 centimeter. And focal length how much is there? Focal length is given as 15 centimeter. That means this much distance is 15. Focal length 15 centimeter. So this is the ray diagram. This is the object here. AB is the object. And this A dash, B dash is taken as the image. Okay. So first of all, find the values. Then you draw the corresponding ray